Hanggang umaga ba 'to? Feeling ko hindi, apakaaga natin nag-live. Saan ko iaakyat si Pabi? Thank you, AD, Essie, thank you, guys. Lucifer, thank you! Maglagay rin ako nga ng ano dito. Ay, wait lang. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Tignan niyo yung goal ko. Pag may nag-drop niyan, be, titili talaga ako malala. Jel, unbroken ka, AD. Thank you. Mababa pala mo. Thank you, Mali. Chill muna tayo. Wala pa akong warm up. Try natin to. Medyo mataas na kasi ito. For me, di ako singer eh. Hitler, thank you. Mali, thank you guys. Thank you. Stop the crying. It'll be alright. Just take my hand. Hold it tight. I will protect you. All around you. I will be here. Don't you cry. For once so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, you're safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be my heart. Yes, you'll be my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Wala pa akong practice. Yes, you'll be my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be my heart always. The way we feel, tama pa ba? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. And you'll be my heart. Yes, you'll be my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, it's what they know. We need each other to have to hold at the same time. I know when destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, you got to hold on. They'll see it's time. I know, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Thank you. You'll be in my heart. Yes, Ninong, pagkabi ka naman. My heart. You'll be in my heart. Always. Mukha pa akong di naliligo, Ninong Spag. Thank you, Nanay. Thank you, everyone. Okay, that's my heart by Nick. Promise ipa-practice ko pa ito. Thank you, Lucky Charms. I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I run away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. Before I'm going to, 'cause it was only you. If I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. Oh no, I said I'll never think I wasn't better. Oh no, can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm fighting for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the land is my eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would just the compliments I throw you. But you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit. Say you don't see it. I want you to say you wanna quit. Don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye till the day that I die. Till the land is my eyes. Till the day that I Thank you so much. That's Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish. Thank you everyone for dropping for the gifts. Happy 518 Dias. Kaya mo natin to. Thank you, Lucky Charm. Let's go for animated gifts, guys, and let's reach this 30K cute. Thank you. Thank you, Cassie. Sige Sige, i-next natin si Old Love. Thank you, Kamski. Let's go for animated clips, guys. Let's go for Corgi. Gotta change my answer and change now that I'm alone. Cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense. Cause you walked out the door. But it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous, it's been months. For some reason I just can't get over us. And I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough, no more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing she was still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? Hi Kyle, gotta fix that calendar right now. It's March July 15th. Since there's no more you, there's no more anniversary. I'm so fed up with my thoughts of you and your memory. Now every song reminds of what used to be. That's the reason I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? Leave me alone. Stupid love songs don't make me think of numbers now or having numbers now. Let it go. Turning off the radio, 'cause I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? Said I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? So why can't I turn off the radio? Thank you so much, that's so sick. Ayan, bye, Leo. Thank you guys for dropping and more animated gifts, please. Thank you so much. Ayan, welcome sa ating mga ate. Shout out Ate Melanie and Ate Rhea, the Maricoy Tandems. Woo! Let's go! Old love daw. Sige. Kailangan may tip yan ha. Tippy! Ayan na. Lani, thank you. Hindi, okay lang huwag nyo na i-drop. I-direct nyo na lang. Just call our aunties, okay? Direct nyo na lang, be. Mahal dito eh. Thank you, Lani. Hello. Yes! Thank you. Wala, wait lang. Hina ng internet ha, bongga. Stop that stone. Stop sing. When you were here, stars disappeared. rushing to treasure the feelings like it's the only. This is the way that we both wanna feel. Under the moonlight, we made our first kiss. 'Cause this is the moment that you made me feel like it's the only. Come on and hold me up, want you right here. Stay close to me so you don't feel like fear. I'll never let go 'cause I'm just right here. When I'm with you, it's like deja vu. I realize that dreams really come true. We keep on talking, but the moment we live in, let's keep drinking till the moon disappears. You are the one that I want, the one that will stay by my side till I'm gone. The love of my life, and I'll sacrifice just for the moment we left from forever, like it's the old love. This is the way that we both wanna feel. Under the moonlight, we made our first kiss. 'Cause this is the moment that you make me feel like it's the old love. Love. Come on and hold me on, want you right here. Stay close to me so you don't feel the fear. I'll never let go 'cause I'm just right here. Like it's the old love. This is the way that we both wanna be. Under the moonlight, we made our first kiss. 'Cause this is the moment that you made me feel like it's your love. Nalimutan ko yung tono. Sorry. So that's all love by UG and Put Vidalia. Thank you. Thank you so much, Monitor Drop. Thank you. Drop ka ulit. Hoy! Wala na yun. Pass is pass nga daw.
Sa edad mo, dapat ba hinay-hinay na?
Mura ka na. Kaamski, thank you. Ah, gorgeous eyes, thank you. Pwede pa tayo mag-request, ha? Checking po. Ano? Ano yan? Hindi ko kabisado yung tibok kasi. Kahit anong gawin ko, pag naka-play, kaya kong sabayan, pero pagkakatay ko, hindi ko na alam. Thinking of you? O sige. Sige, pahirapan niyo ako. Kailangan worth it yan. Sound. Here's a little Right is the one I still got to see. You said move on, where do I go? I guess second best is all I will know. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you were doing, you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was living to you. You're like an Indian summer in the middle of the winter, like a hard candy with a surprise center. How do I get better once I've had the best? You said there's tons of fish in the waters, oh the waters I will test. He kissed my lips, I taste your mouth. He pulled me in, I was disgusted with myself. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you were doing, you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your the best. And yes, I do regret how I could let myself let you go. Now the lesson learned. I touched it, I was hurt. Oh, I think you should know. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you. What you were doing, you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your eyes, looking into your eyes, looking into your eyes. Oh, won't you walk through and bust in the door and take me away? Oh, no more mistakes, 'cause in your eyes I want to stay. Thank you so much for thinking of you. Okay. Teka lang, may nag-request. Hoy, wait lang, Ate Joy, hindi ko to alam. Ano to? Ano to, Ate Joy? Pwede bang iba? Pwede ba ako mag-request iba? Hindi ko kasi to alam eh. Ano ba ang kanta to? Kaya mo yan. Eh, paano kung hindi ko nga alam nga, ne? Di ba nga, ne? Teka lang, pakinggan natin. Ano to? Di ko to alam. Papawis kilikili ko. Ate Joy, etong unang nag-request, pwede pakipalitan? Di ko po talaga alam, sorry. Hindi ko pa alam kung kaya ko mag-high note, titignan ko lang. Try ko lang best ko. Wala nang bawi, nag-skip na kayo eh. Oo, baya, sabi ni Jake. Nako. Masakit nung noon yan. Wala mo nang papasok ng kwarto, nakafocus ako. Ay, yun na pala yun. Ito ba yun? Teka lang. Sino nag-request na pwede ko? Pangit naman na ito. Ba't ganun? Mas okay. There's a voice inside my head. You'll never reach it. Step I'm taking, every move I'm making, lost in no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it through. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Rock City man will get jealous. The struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah, just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on, 'cause there's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Malulobot na yung sound card, chef. Oh. Thank you guys for dropping. More. Let's go reach 30K. Thank you, Roxy. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Keep on moving, keep climbing, keep the faith, baby. It's all about the and nag-request. Thank you so much. So, ayun. Thank you, Johnny Babe. Thank you po sa mga nagda-drop while singing. Thank you so much. And kay Roxy na dumalaw pa talaga. Thank you, Tipa na. Pag ikaw nagselos pa sa akin na, ewan ko na lang. Thank you, thank you. Dancing Queen! Oh, man. Hindi ko... Paano ba yun? Huwag muna yun. Diyos ko. Pinapasigaw niya ako, tapos ngayon papasayaw. Okay. Konsensya ko pa, be. Ano? Ha? Sura kanal. Thank you, guys. Hoy, Ate Joy, yung isang nag-request na una, wait lang, guys. Kasi may unang nag-request, eto yung pangalawa kasi. So, nakanta ko na si The Climb. Thank you po sa nag-request and nag-tip. So, eto pong una, wala pa talaga. Ala bang, mas madali. Ayan na. Huwag yan, di ko kaya yan. Pinasigaw niyo ako eh. Mapapaos ako ba? Thank you, Roxy. Taray, meron tayo ditong spender guest. Wow! Spender guest? Ala bang mas dadali? Alam nyo, hindi ko naman kaya kantahin lahat. Hindi matinis ang aking boses. Okay? Alis na ako. Okay. Thank you. Ano yung halik sa hangin? Sino kumanta? Pwede ba pag pinabirit niyo ako, pwede ba yung susunod yung pampahinga muna? Yung chill lang, ganun, hindi yung sunod-sunod. Be, gusto mo ba hindi ako maabot ng 3 hours na live? Ganda shit. Oh my God, thank you. Kitchenadal medley. Try ko lang to. Pag-tip kayo kung gusto nyo. Ano ba to? Titignan ko lang kung alam ko ah. Hey! Inuman na. Try lang. Tatry ko mag-rock. Kasi hindi ako nagra-rock. Babae na lulubo, abalot ka ng koy, aming hinanakit sa mundo, alam mong gagawin, pag-iupusin ang oras sa di. Hindi ko alam. Ay, kaibigan ko, pakinggan mo mga bulong sa'yo. Di galing sa mundo, patungo sa pangakong paraiso. Wala bang sisig? Sunang talino mo, ate ka mo ng ano, apakan ng lahat ay kapa mo. Nag-iingay na si Yugo. Minsan lang ano daw? Ay, kaibigan ko, pakinggan mo mga bulong sa'yo. Ito'y di galing sa mundo, patungo sa pangakong paraiso. Sabi ko kasi kunin niyo si Yugo eh. Masaya yung anak ko. Thank you! Hindi ko to alam. Don't understand why I'm feeling so bad now when I know it was. Ayoko na nga. Yung maayos na nga.
You want great.
Ano na, palitan nyo na yung tip. Ay, yung tip. Hoy! Hindi yung tip. Yung kanta na request nyo kasi hindi ko talaga alam. It's either hindi ko alam at hindi ko po kaya kantahin. Kasi ayoko po magyabang. Sasabihin ko talaga pag hindi ko kaya kantahin. Alam ko kaya mo yun. Alam mo lang yun. Hindi ko kaya yun. Let's go. Tips are open, okay? Gonna make the change for once in my life. Oh, palitan mo kasi. Gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. As I turn up the collar on my favorite winter phone. Wind is blowing up. Thank you. Building street, living enough to read. Moving mind to the blind, pretending not to see their need. A summer disregard, a broken bottle top, and a woman soul. They follow each other on the window, 'cause they got nowhere to go. That's why I want you to know I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message will be editor. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. Yeah. Na, 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 na. I've been a victim of a selfish kind of love. Now that I realize there's no hope, that a nickel too long. Would it be really me pretending that they're not all alone? I will take this scar to somebody's broken heart, and I wash that free. They follow the pattern of the wind to see. They got no place to be. That's why I'm starting with me. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message will be anything. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message will be anything. If they wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. Man in the mirror, I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message will be any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. You gotta get right, well you got to time. You can't close your mind. The man in the mirror. Favorite ng lahat. You shouldn't hesitate at my feelings for over. So many times in different ways to you. I hope someone deep inside you know that I love you. 'Cause I love you. Walking my way. Say it! I said, hey, hey, yeah. I love you till the morning comes. I said, hey, hey, yeah. I'll kiss you in the morning sun. Now it's not the right time to get serious. Now it's not the I don't wanna seem mysterious, but whenever you come walking my way, I said, hey, hey, yeah, I love you till the morning comes. I said, hey, hey, yeah, I'll kiss you in the morning sun. Love you more than words can say. Love you more in every way. The love we share is oh so strong. I know that we both belong. But whenever you come walking my way, I said, hey, hey, yeah, I love you till the morning comes. I said, hey, hey, yeah, I'll kiss you in the morning sun. You're out. 'Cause whenever you come walking my way, I said, hey, hey, yeah, I love you till the morning comes. Thank you so much. That's Hey by Fatima. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for dropping. Thank you everyone. Can't help falling in love with. Search mo natin. Sinisiba yung playlist eh. Magkaiba tayo ng playlist.
With aging, nagkakamuscle.
Sorry. May ads. Siyempre, hindi tayo bayad ng premium. Hindi natin afford. Pairam naman kayo ng whitey nyo. Beer? Bro? lang, eto na yung request ni Nits kasi nakapending yung tip niya eh. Baka hindi masundan eh. Ay, kulang ko, hindi ko kabisado. Diba after natin mag-enjoy ka rin? Miss you, V. Di bagay sa akin. Mukha akong angel sa kanta na to. Somewhere over the rainbow.
Maya.
Yung beer, 5K yan ah. Kasama na yung case.
Tawagin man. Manatag na, di ba, pag-aaragan niya, pag-ibang na Ilang na lang yan. Teka nyo. Good walang boy.
Baby na baby! Bro! Thank you! That's Kendall falling in love. Yeah.
Eman.
Maghintay muna tayo ng tip, okay? Bago tayo mag-proceed. Napapagod ako eh, bro. Nakakapagod eh. Ay, wag yun. Akala ko may tip na eh. Yung asawa ko pala. Teka lang. Ayan na, sorry, commercial lang. Ano ba'y gusto niyo kantahin? Huwag namang birbe. Teka lang, titignan ko yung beer. At pag gusto nyong beer, nagiinuman ba kayo?
Wen, duli na jibate. Kinasik na ta.
Tapos may mga bago akong viewers na ito kinakanta ko. Grabe kayo. Type K to bawal delay. Nais kong mapakalasing dahil wala ka na. Nakatingin sa sana at nag-iisa. Nakatani pa rin ang umamin ang binalik mo sa'kin ng tayo maghiwalay. Ito'y katulad ng damdamin ko kahit unang ano pang mamatay. Huwag mo sanang limutin ang mga araw na hindi sana naglaho. Mga anak at bahay nating pinaglaho. Lahat ng ito'y nawala nung iniwan mo ko. Kaya ngayon, everybody! Inuhos na ang sa aking lalamunan upang malunod ang puso ko nahihirapan. Bawat patang anong sarap. Ano ba talagang mas gusto mo? Ang birdo o ang pag-ibig? Dapat pinapainom niyo ako kung ito'y gusto niyo ipakanta Nais kong magmakasabog dahil olat ako. Kahit ano ititim. Hoy, hindi ganun! Kahit tambutong kumuha ko nung at mapakulo sa kaldera lang habis ang puso ko ito. Lahat ay aking gagawin upang hindi ko naisipin na sana ako. Ibuhos na ang bib sa aking lalamunan upang malunod na ang puso ko nahihirapan. Bawat patang anong sarap. Ano ba talagang mas gusto ko? Ang binano ang pag-ibig ko. Nalalasing ako kailangan ng lahat. Mga anak at bahay natin pinaglaan. Bawal dali Lahat ng ito'y ginawa ko, matawa lang kayo. Kaya ngayon, isip nyo na ang tip sa aking ikas upang malunod na ang puso kong nahihirapan. Bawat bagsak, anong sarap, ano ba talagang mas gusto nyo? Ang bigat na ko. Ang bigat na to ang pagkanta ko. Kay Ate Joy. Thank you everyone! That's Beer by the Itchy Words. Ayusin nyo naman! Ayusin nyo na may request nyo. Hindi ko alam yung on this day. Grabe pang matanda na talaga yan. Hindi ko na alam yan. Thank you guys for dropping. Yan naman, pusong ba to? May tip yan. Yung beer nga na yan, 5K yan eh. Tibok. Ang alam ko lang yung tibok, tibok. Joke. Mag-aantay ulit tayo ng tip. Thank you, Vince Gafford. Miss you. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you, Ayer. Sige pa. I'm good. Jensky, hello. Noir, thank you.